Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and today we're going to take a long look at the mini glimpse from Todd Begg and Begg Knives. I'm excited to get this knife. I've been waiting for it for a while. Wanted to see what it looked like. I'm sure it's going to perform well, but having it in your hands one thing. Nice little bag you have there. Here we are at the mini glimpse, that first one here. First look. Show it to you on both sides. We'll go over some specs. Very smooth, of course. Alright, so its overall length is 7 1/4. Its blade length is 3 inches. It is a S35 VN steel, so top of the line steel for you to sharpen at home if you're not a professional at sharpening. Blade style is drop point, has a hollow grind. The handle is 4 1/4, which gives you your 7 1/4 overall. Handle is only about 1 inch thick, has a nice back spacer here. It's a titanium frame lock. Has a titanium pocket clip. Almost deep carry, but not quite. Has ceramic ball bearings. So this thing's going to perform every time you open it. It's manual, of course, tip up carry. Weighs about 3.5 to 3.75 ounces, somewhere in there. I didn't stick this one on the scale, so I don't know the exacts. Of course, it's a flipper, and it comes from Begg Knives. It has a fluted blade and handle. We like the design and ergonomics on this one. Fits in your hand well. It's easy to close, one hand. Open with one hand. We'll get to how it cuts. Pull out some paracord here. Shouldn't have any problem with any of this since it's a S35 hollow grind blade. This is obviously a design after some of Todd's custom work. Of course, it's not at a custom price. I think this thing MSRP is at somewhere around $350, somewhere in that neighborhood. I think we have it on AtlanticKnife.com for $2.99. See, it cuts that very easily. I'm expecting some comments on this one. See what you guys think of it. It's part of the Steelcraft series. So this one comes in different colors, has different back spacers. You know, this is Todd's production model, so we'll see what you guys think of it. Put your comments below. If you like what you see, make sure you follow us on IG at Atlantic Knife. Of course, like. And on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Make sure you leave us comments. We try to respond to all those whenever we can. We get to most of them. And with that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.